Today we are going to use a Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV to test Android Auto on our CarPlay module. And why we are doing that? Because we have a customer who is interested into purchasing this module, but he's not sure if it will work with Sony phone. So we bought exactly the same phone as he's using to make the test for him. So first of all, we connect by Bluetooth and we search for Mclaren 023B. Let's pair. Okay, now it should start. We connect to Wi-Fi to the CarPlay as well. And we are in. Let's try a little bit the functionality. So buttons, touchscreen looks fine. Here we have settings. We can go back to iris system and get back into the Android Auto module.